Hi, I am Mrs. Cavazos of the HB Zaki Orchestra, coming along with video 12 in our series. If you've been following along with our How to Learn Violin series, you will see that I have been using this Sound Innovations book, this blue book, Sound Innovations, for this series. You can find another book if you would like to. You can learn stuff from other different materials. I don't think you could ever learn enough music, but we are going to be using this one for this series. You can find it at your local strings shop, at your local music shop, shop local. But if there isn't anything local or anything that is conveniently close to you, you can always Amazon. It is on there. Not sure of the price, but it's there. So we're going to be on page 7, starting on line 14, doing all the way down the page. These notes are still on our D string. Remember, our D string, D, first finger is E, second finger is F sharp, third finger is G, fourth finger is A. We're going to stick to these 3 for now, but make sure your A is kind of hovering over it, Mustachio, make sure it is a mustachio. And we'll get started. With our backing track we're going to use is a country style backing track because the last line of the page is called Boil Them Cabbage Down, or as I like to say, boil them cabbage down. We've done all sorts of different kinds of genres, and we'll continue doing different genres for our backing track jams. If you like this one or want to discover other ones, you could go to my backing tracks playlist on my channel and find all the ones that you like. For now, this page is going to use one that's in D major. You'll see a capital letter D, capital letter M, or you can even use one in B minor. You'll see a capital lowercase b and a lowercase m, or it says B minor. D major, here we go with our country style background because we are doing our boil 'em cabbage down. Holding it up. Your fingers all the way down. Fingers are curved. You can see all the way back through. 1, and here's your G. G, 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 and F sharp. And here's your E. Here's your D string. Gonna go on to 15. 15, we're starting on our D string. 1, and 1, and here we go. Now your E, F sharp, and your G. Rest. Going 16, you are going to be going down the line, G's, F sharps, E, and then open D. It's called going down the finger scale, even though it might be a different direction for cello and bass. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Have that tunnel. And here's your G. Go. G, F sharp, E, D. Rest. Now your E, F sharp, G, D, and rest. Let's do that one just for giggles and grins one more time. 1, and ready, go. And you go. Going on to line 17, we are doing Jolly Fellows. Same notes, G, F sharp, E, and D. Here we go. 1, Strongly fellows. One, and ready, go. Let's do that one again. That second line is just like the first line. So we're gonna do that first line again. Really focus on where you are putting your fingers down and that you're not making a squish. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Having that tunnel, you can see all the way to the back. Getting your fingers ready. 1, 2. Get that G. 1, and here we go. G, G, F sharp, D, G, G, F sharp, D, E, E, F sharp, G. Keep going. There are rests. Now ready, go. G, G, F sharp, D, G, G, F sharp, D, E, E, F sharp, G, rest, G. On to violin cabbage down. I like this one a lot. Let's start with an F sharp. Violin cabbage down. 1, 2, get that tunnel. 1, and here we go. F sharp, F sharp, F sharp, F sharp, G, rest, G, and here's your F sharp, F sharp, F sharp, F sharp, F sharp, E, rest, E, rest. Second line. Rest, rest, and rest, and rest. Just for giggles and grins, we are going to do that one again, double time. So instead of having a quarter note, quarter note, quarter note, quarter note, we're gonna do it twice as fast. Bum, 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 G, rest, G, rest, F sharp, F sharp, F sharp, F sharp, E, rest, E, rest, F sharp, F sharp, F sharp, F sharp, G, rest, G, rest, F sharp, E, E, D, rest, D, rest. So this is one that we're going to come back to later on in the videos because we could add all sorts of fancy stuff later to make it sound extremely country. And even if you're like, well, I don't like country that much, this one's going to be really fun. So learn it now so we could do all the fancy stuff later. Let's do that double time. One, two, get that tunnel. Remember, we're gonna go bum, 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 bum. 1 and F sharp, go. Rest, 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 rest. And that is all of page 7. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns about this, let me know. My email is down below in the description. Hopefully y'all are having fun with this, and I will see you next page. Have a good day.